Okay, hello and hi Joff. It was a bit weird doing this on my own. But hey ho, we got a crack on. So, how shall I? Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing okay. Hello Joff, and thank you for editing this in your own home. You're not here today, so I have full reign of what I am doing, in here. Anyway, this week I'm asking all about tool changes. Paul breaks this down for us. Check this clip out.
Gina, today I want to talk to you about tooling. In fact, tool changes. Now this is a tool holder with a cutting tool on it, and this would obviously go in a tool changer on a machine. For example, behind us here we've got the MX330, which is a 10 pallet machine, ideal for the unmanned run. But here you'll see the tool changer. Now this particular machine has 90 tools on it. So why is it important to have as many tools as possible? Well, if you have more tools, it means you can standardise. It means you don't have to keep changing tools on the machine to interrupt maybe a machining process. You can standardise on what you have in your carousel. Here is another example. You can see the tools at the top and the tools at the bottom. This is one chain that has 90 tools. Now there are machines that can have more than 90 tools from Matsuura as well, but really with 90 tools it means that you've got a fully functional tool carousel with the opportunity to really standardise on your tools. And also if you have a tool breakage, you can double up, something called sister tooling, which means that you have two of the same tool, so if one breaks, you can also get the ability to use the second tool, so you don't have to stop the machine. Even better for the unmanned run. Really, the more tools you can have as standard, the better.
Check out this clip sent in from Thomas Bryant from Medley Precision. This is a video of his 5-axis Z-level finishing off with a Hypermill. The surface finish is absolutely beautiful. I hate doing this on my own.
Blast from the past!
This week it's on an old Hydrafeed bar feeder. We found this beauty at Vision Engineering in Hwacheon. Is it Hwacheon? I hope so. Whilst they have a state-of-the-art machine shop, they still have an old Cincinnati.
Welcome to
Cincinnati.
It's a beautiful place to be. When people come to visit, they can't help but get drawn in.
Cincinnati Millicron lathe. But check out the old Hydra Feed bar feeder, still going very strong.
Right, I have a nice little blast from the past here. It's not about this machine. This is a Cincinnati Millicron from Dugard. But as I said, not about this machine, but quickly, single turret, single spindle in there. But in there, it's actually got a bar stop. Why has it got a bar stop? Well, it is because what they have got, we see some cracking bar loaders, bar feeds with Hydra Feed. This one, still going strong, is dated back to, well, I'll let you guess, but here we go. There's not a lot to it. It feeds bar, still works well, but if I want to change a bar, nice and simple, lift that up all the way down, undo these, pop in a new loader down here. So you've got your different options for different diameters, nice and simple, get it closed, all changed, you're off and run again. So another great blast from the past, a Hydra Feed bar feeder. When's the date from?
This week, Paul has sent me over another challenge. Check out this one.
So Gina, on your quest to learn all about engineering and machining, there's also fabrication. Look at this. Now I thought what we could do this week is you could ask all of your followers what on earth this is and what it could be used for. This could be a real education for you. This is a fantastic fabricated part here at Hwacheon Engineering. But what on earth is it, Gina?
So there you go, guys. Have a guess on what you think that is and send in your answers and you could win a goodie bag. Anyway, guys, I thought I would really treat you today. Check out this montage of machines in action. This has been sent over by you fantastic bunch. If you have any videos that you'd like to have featured on this incredible show, send them my way. I can't do this. And now time for network news. Medley Precision continue to invest in the latest technology. Their latest purchase is a powerhouse of a machine. It's a
Nakamura
Tome WT-150. It has twin spindle, twin turret and sporting loads of power. This machine can handle some of the most complex of jobs. In other news, Desman have just brought a huge new
Hwacheon
VT1150. If you'd like to market your engineering projects and machines in your own home, well, feel free to contact myself and we can promote you on MTD Daily. We have the resources and the capabilities to ensure that we're providing the very best marketing services in your own home. So make sure that you're getting in touch with us. You can also send me any of your swarf selfies and part pickies for me to feature and showcase on this incredible show. Anyways, that is all from me. My name is Gina. Stay safe and good night.